learn what to do. Cut the sentences. They can always be done. Okay, so I think we have one question in the chat box. I'm having some network issues.
Thank you.
No worries. Okay. As Monica mentioned, political theory introduction, I want to ask how do you balance structure-focused theories like very famous Marx, deliberative materialism? I've not heard about deliberative materialism, man. What is it doing? Is it dialectical materialism?
Probably.
Don't tell me I've read Marx and I don't know deliberative materialism. I'll quit my studies right here. The first feminism values. Monica, I think you should take this question up. Citizen talks.
I can take it up. I mean, I'm not very sure if I've understood the question properly, but if you wanted to say that how do you bring together structure-focused theories with experience-based theories?
Well, I think, Monica, it's the question of scale. The meta, macro.
Yeah. So, I think there are two questions implicit in that particular chat box question that is there. One is that how do you bring together experience-based theories with structure-focused theories? And the second is that how do you apply theory to a particular case or policy, if I've understood it correctly. See, I mean, it comes with training. I'm answering the second question. I'll think about the first question. To the second question, I think it comes with training. So, for instance, once you've understood, if you've understood, let's say Marx's dialectical materialism, I would say, but also there's this caveat that I want to point out, that Marx never talked about dialectical materialism. He only talked about materialism and historical materialism, and the idea of dialectics comes from Hegel. But in the spirit in which you asked, to respond in the spirit in which you asked that question, if you have to use certain theoretical frameworks in understanding a particular case study, there's this training that we need to undergo, which teaches us, and it's a training that you will go throughout your life, how to move from the general to the particular and back to the general, right? Any good writing piece which has to make conceptual contributions or theoretical contributions needs to learn to do this. That how do you start from theory? How do you say that, okay, this is the theoretical approach that I'm taking to study this policy, and how do you then bring back from the very specific empirical details of that particular case and policy, how do you travel back to the theory, right? Now, this is a problem. It's very difficult to answer this, because this is a problem that all of us face as students. In fact, I think I was having this discussion with Sana a few months back, that we know that this is the theoretical approach or this is the theoretical paradigm that we are working with, but then our work seems to exist besides that theoretical paradigm, right? So this process of weaving in your